Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where every stroke of the brush is a journey of creativity. Today, let's embark on a delightful exploration as we paint a sunlit scene with a waves and a charming cat step by step. Begin by sketching the outline of a radiant sun in the center of your canvas, casting its warm glow over the scene. Next, add a graceful vase positioned beneath the sun, brimming with vibrant flowers that bask in its golden light. Now, let's introduce our playful companion, a curious cat soaking up the sunshine in the foreground. With each brush stroke, infuse the scene with warmth and energy as if the sun's rays dance across every surface. As you paint, let your imagination roam free, allowing the scene to unfold before you like a story waiting to be told. Take your time with each element, adding depth and dimension to capture the essence of this magical moment. Now let's dive deeper into the intricate detail of this charming masterpiece. Notice how the sun's rays are directly reflected in the petal of the flowers, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. The cat, with its expressive eyes and playful posture, adds a sense of whimsy to the scene, inviting viewers to join in the sunny disposition. Each element of the painting works together harmoniously, creating a captivating narrative that unfolds before our eyes. As you admire this artwork, let yourself to be transported to a tranquil world where time slows down and every moment is infused with beauty. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey. Stay tuned for more inspiring creations from Rosie's artistic adventures. And there you have it, a sunlit scene with a vase and a cat brought to life through the power of art and imagination. Thank you again for joining us on this artistic adventure. Be sure to subscribe for more creative inspiration from Rosie's artistic adventure.